What's up, guys? I'm back. How did I just turn into this? Uh, we're not gonna be going ghost hunting, but we might be going in public servers, okay? Because I feel like I don't want to do ghost hunting right now. And it's me, the brother. Look, you see that's green? Yeah, so I'm the brother here. We might invite friends in the series of the ghost hunting series. Do you hear me? Yeah. So let's go in a public server. Why are the... Okay. So,
The only thing that puts me off a bit, yeah, of Amelia, is just like how much people she's created. Like she's dated fucking 15 people.
I know, man.
You better
People. Like, so much, man. Can you believe it, man?
Yeah.
Can't you believe it? Gosh, man. Can't you believe it, man?
Bro, what's this guy on about? Wait, hold on. Fuck off!
Yeah, bro.
I
What is
messed
he
up.
on about, man? What is he on about?
God.
Flip.
God, bro just had a jump scare me.
What does Charlie mind now?
Are you trying to do
Yep, bro. Charlie Mines, man.
I was gonna say, he's
How did you get your arm for that?
Alpha trying to get with Jess.
Yep, bro. I'm trying to get rid of you, man.
Can you teach me how to watch them?
Well, they're just mates. So I thought it was. Oh, she's such a crackhead, Amelia.
Bro, what are you on about, man?
What's her name?
Can you teach
Wait, how did you get rid of? Did you get rid of that one thing that was in front of my screen?
Yeah, just go like this.
Just get rid of.
I forgot to tell you guys. I know we're 2 minutes in the video. I just want to tell you something. We're gonna be going into 3 public servers. 3. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And then we'll just do something else. Because it's gonna be a 30-minute video, okay? So, yeah, let's get into it. And the last one did not count. Don't think anyone's here. Oh, my bad. Let's get into this. The first public server. We should go somewhere, not in forest. Let's go to city. Why not? No, no. Not, we're not going. Let's go in the big city. Let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Bro, how is the baby not up? I have never joined Cold City.
Oh. I'm not gonna lie, I've never been here. Whoa.
What up, future king over here?
Bro. See,
Oh.
like, that could have been so cool if that worked, right?
Hey,
It could have been so cool if that worked. Why do you? Hello, good sir.
Hello, sir. Wait, cause you're good. You have to help us find get the people. We're going. Did that purple dude get caught?
No. I'm done.
how the hell are you on
I
today?
cannot
Oh,
deal with
50.
water running.
Holy nice tag.
Hold on.
Finally, my route didn't work out
Yeah.
properly.
Oh, I didn't know there was something over here. Hold on.
Water runner.
What the hell?
There he is.
Is that? No. What?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Sorry, guys.
Can someone teach me how to
Please,
like
It
get better
happened.
at this game? Because like I kind of suck.
There's an
Not gonna lie.
entire city.
No, I don't like this city, actually.
Oh God, no! Please, 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 please. Okay.
This is a big city, I think. It was fun. I like this city.
Alright, I give up.
It's fun. But now, guys, we're going into the regular city. Yeah. I don't think it's a EA, but I kind of like cities. It's one of my favorites. So, yeah, let's get into it. Why am I so slow?
Now it looks fancy. Oh my gosh, that looks fancy.
I didn't know the buses ran this late. They don't.
My cheese got
Well, dropping
dinosaur.
someone off. Well, they're
Dude,
dropping
you got
someone off.
dinosaur.
I feel so
Dude, you got dinosaur.
slow.
I look fancy. Oh yeah, do I look fancy?
Not
Do I
supposed to
look
be
fancy?
slow.
Tired.
I'm gonna try. No.
On the tippy top?
Oh
Yeah.
Grandpa.
Oh no, he's
How
it. No, he's it.
Green.
There you go, man. There you go.
No, chill, bro. Yeah, get him, dude.
Go get him.
Don't be rude to me then. Don't be rude to me. Get what?
Hello. Oh, you wanna play with
Dude, I'm getting
Oh,
hungry.
you wanna play with me?
Glass.
Come back.
Look behind you.
Actually, I'm right,
Well,
bro.
Pink, you wanted to play with me.
Actually, do.
That's what I thought, Pink.
What?
How is this kid cooking?
Hillard, come here. Hillard, look. Where's Hillard?
What the hell is it?
No. You wanna catch me?
Hey.
Black, where are you?
I'm black.
Child.
Look.
Wait, come back.
What?
Black,
Unbelievable.
will I get you? Can you wipe me?
No, wait. Hold
Like,
I'm
come
taking
on.
a breather.
No, hold
Wipe
the
my
pistol like
face.
this.
How do you play the game?
Oh.
How do you play the game?
Hold on.
Yeah, I'm gonna clean your eyes.
I'm
alright,
stuck.
bro?
I can
I'm
Oh,
stuck.
great.
I'm
I'm gonna
stuck.
clean your eyes. You too. And then have fun.
Can I feel it?
bad. What? I'm so bad.
Oh, shit.
So, yeah. I mean, it could be long enough. I feel so tired in my body, you know? First of all, I couldn't run, and then just went home. So, why not we do something else? Why not we do not, I was gonna say go something, but I mean, go something is, I like that, but let's just do it. I guess we'll be joining the code bot, if that's still here. Actually, never. Well, let's just go to. Oh. I don't know. But. Undo. 2 O's. Up. Go. I feel too scared.
Epic rap battle of history.
Who the heck joined the bot?
Yeah,
This is
Red.
You play. Alright.
I
That's
crazy.
it. That's it. Greg.
Hey,
Greg,
guys,
here's a
it was
question.
glitch.
Here's a question.
Someone
What
go to
was your
tutorial.
grandma? Your grandma said you should
Can
use it a
show
bed.
me how to do it?
But listen,
Yeah,
Greg,
fuck
can I tell you
off.
about it fun fact? Can I tell you about it fun fact,
style.
Balloon? Can I whisper
Yeah.
something? Greg's mom
Hello.
uses
Hello. My
Okay,
luck in
stop
finding
fucking-
ghosts is not
uses
very great.
tampons. Using a bed mattress. God. Fucking hell.
Do you know any codes
You
I
were
should
probably
join?
born from a tampon, I'm just saying.
My name is Pete.
Yes, please.
No, it isn't.
What is
I'm
that?
also every
That's
time I
funky,
play
man.
Yeah, I don't think there's such thing as bot. So, I mean, I said it's gonna be 30. I'm actually too tired to do 30. We'll do some 30-minute videos, so I guess I'll see you next time.